Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So as you can see, this is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these are the lines and fair value gaps that we had drawn yesterday. And Nifty is proving to be super bullish on the back, riding on the back of lower oil prices and the signing of the peace deal between US and Iran. Let's get rid of all yesterday's analysis and start afresh. So what we do here, we start with the monthly time frame and work ourselves backwards to the weekly, daily, 4 hour, and the 1 hour time frames. We get a bias here for each time frame and some important levels. So this is Nifty on a monthly time frame. The bias is not sure. Why is it not sure? Because there is no lower highs, just like these lower highs are like bearish. There's no lower high formed here. There's no higher lows formed either, like these. So the bias is not sure. There are two important levels that we need to look at. That's this and this. So this swing low is the main area of sellers. That's where the sell side liquidity had been selling Nifty off for 2 months. So let's see what happens this time when it reaches this area. The level is 24,377, 24,337. So uh, that's where Nifty had been sold off in the last 2 months. Let's see what happens. And the buyers are at 22,182. That's this swing low. Simple as that. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is Nifty is not sure on a weekly time frame. It was bearish yes since till yesterday. It is now turned not sure. Why is it not sure? Because you see, on a weekly time frame, there was like a swing low, another swing low, and another swing low form. Now, this swing low should have been protected in an ideal bearish scenario, but now you see this swing low has been breached, and therefore the bearish scenario is out, and we do not have a bias here. So once we need a higher low for a bearish, for a bullish scenario, till then we say it's not sure. Are there any important levels on a weekly time frame? No, nothing. So let's go to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, Nifty is bullish. It had been bullish since yesterday and day before, I guess. So um, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since 4 days, it has been bullish. So this is a swing low. This is the highest swing low. So you see, this is a huge gap that has been created. There are in fact two fair value gaps that's formed. So that's this and this. Two fair value gaps formed, and if at some point, maybe after going to a certain level or from here itself, if Nifty is sold off and then it cools down to take orders from this area. So this is a fair value gap right now. There are a lot of limit orders pending in this area. Nifty could come down, eat into this liquidity, and then decide to go up. It could. So I'm talking in terms of probability. So in that case, you see, this is a nice level to watch out for. This is a swing high within a fair value gap. So that's a nice level to watch out for. I'm not saying Nifty will come down all the way down. So the top of this fair value gap, the top of this fair value gap, all these are good levels for Nifty. Just take support and move higher. Um, but that's that. And on a 4 hour time frame, Nifty is bullish. It's a swing low and a higher swing low. And on a 1 hour time frame, once again, Nifty is bullish. Take a look here. That's swing low, higher low, and a higher low. So that's it from my side. Nothing much, nothing very complicated. We just have to wait and see what Nifty has in store for us. That's that. I am not a certified analyst. I do this only for education purpose. Thank you.